What's up, everyone? It's Eric from Option Edge, and it's late night coming at you in bed, chilling, about to go to sleep soon. But got a question on one of my last videos about what my thoughts were on Run. And, I haven't really looked at Run too much, but it sort of is, it's a solar stock. It is, a lot of these stocks that exploded this was in July, exploded, and then let me guess, January, February, a lot of these stocks did what I call a round trip. Well, this one hasn't come quite back down to where it was, but it's still elevated. Um, but a lot of these stocks got cut in half, and the question was, do you think that this stock could go to 21? And if you look, there's a couple. If we break down past this support level here, then there's really nothing, underneath that, and yeah, we could easily go to 21. I don't try to be Mr. TA technical analysis guy, but I use a couple different simple strategies to give me an idea, because I think sometimes people they go too far, they make it too complex, when really you can just look at a couple, like the 200-day moving average is a major signal. I like to use the VWAP. So I VWAP'd up at the high back in January, and then I VWAP'd down here at the breakout back in last summer, about a year ago. This is about like the year-to-date VWAP, or a little bit beyond that. And if you notice, both VWAPs and the 200-day moving average are at this 56 level. If you wanted to, maybe you could sell a call credit spread, maybe at the 65 level after it retests the VWAPs here. That might not be a bad idea. And I'm amazed more at these VWAPs. Tend to be a pretty strong signal. Like here, you can see that we sort of broke out above that. It was like a false breakout. And then we found sellers again, and sellers took over and sent the stock down. In the near term, we might retest that, but once again, we might find some more sellers, and it might drop down again. So if we do get above this VWAP level, then maybe I would say that we might not see 21 for a long time. But if it does touch this, then get rejected, we could be heading down. I don't know how down, or I just know that we're not going to be probably moving any higher anytime soon. So anyway, those are my thoughts. And then, one more thing. I put the fixed range index here, which is just like another volume weighted average type measurement tool. And yeah, it's right. I anchored it at the same place where my VWAPs are. And let's try anchoring this. Let me pause this. Let's anchor this in a more recent time frame and just see where the volume is. So give me a sec. So I just sort of arbitrarily picked down here where we sort of formed a lot of support, and then up here at the high. And we can move this. For now, we're just going to leave it. But this is also 62, so that was right around the 200-day moving average. The 200-day moving average is going to be heavy resistance. So until we can break above that, then I don't think we're going much higher in the meantime. And so those are my thoughts. Hope that's helpful. And if you're liking this stuff, subscribe, like, and as always, this is not any advice, just my opinion. Adios.